In chapter trigonometry and in exercise 11.4, so far we completed first three problems and the trigonometric identities in the previous video. Now in this video, see the remaining problems of exercise 11.4. Now see the fourth problem. Show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equal to tan square a. So already I explained in the previous video. In this model problems, tan and cot convert in terms of sin and cos. So that is the one method. And the second method, here the answer in terms of tan square. So I solve this problem without converting tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. See the solution. So write the LHS. LHS equal to 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. So don't change the numerator, put it as it is, 1 minus tan square a as it is by cot a. So the formula of cot a in terms of tan. So cot a equal to 1 by tan a. Cot a formula 1 by tan a. Cot square a means 1 by tan square a. Cot square a means 1 by tan square a. So express cot in terms of tan. So 1 by tan square a minus 1. Now numerator as it is, 1 minus tan square a as it is by LCM for the denominator tan square a. So 1 as it is in numerator minus as it is 1 into tan square a is tan square a. So next to the one more formula, a by b by c equal to ac by b. A by b by c equal to ac by b. So here a by b by c, the answer is ac by b. So write the first numerator as it is, 1 minus tan square a as it is into a. A by b by c equal to ac. C means tan square a. So tan square a by the denominator as it is 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a get cancelled. The answer is tan square a. So check the RHS, it is same, tan square a. Now fifth problem. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. See the solution. Take LHS, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Take the LCM. Here the denominator is cos theta and here the LCM is also same cos theta. Numerator one value as it is minus as it is cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So what is the value of 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta means again from the trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Transpose cos square theta right side. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta right side, 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta value is sin square theta. Now write here 1 minus cos square theta value, sin square theta. Sin square theta by denominator as it is cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. So our answer here tan theta into sin theta. So sin square theta is written as sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta value again sin square theta. So sin square theta is written as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, denominator same. Now separate the cos theta for write either first term or second term, both are same. So here sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. But sin theta by cos theta value tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta value tan theta into sin theta. So this is our RHS. Tan theta into sin theta. Now see sixth problem. Simplify sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. So convert sec and tan in terms of sin and cos. So solution, first write the given sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Now this is given data. So convert sec and tan in terms of sin and cos. So sec in terms of cos means 1 by cos A, sec A equal to 1 by cos A, and 1 minus sin A as it is, don't change because it is already in terms of sin. So again sec A equal to 1 by cos A plus tan A in terms of sin and cos. So this is sin A by cos A, tan A value sin A by cos A. Next see, first term as it is, 1 by cos A as it is, 1 minus sin A as it is, second term also as it is. Now see, in third term the denominator is same, cos A same. Now add the sum of the numerators. The LCM is cos A. The numerator, sum of the numerator is 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Now multiply, denominator separate and numerator separate. Numerator 1 into 1 minus sin A means 1 minus sin A into, here the numerator 1 plus sin A. Now denominator is cos A into cos A is cos square A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. Now see the numerator. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A value 1, B value sin A. A value 1, B value sin A. A plus B into A minus B. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. A plus B into A minus B. Its value A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So A value 1, B value sin A. So 1 square minus sin square A by denominator cos square A as it is, cos square A. So 1 square value 1 sin square A by cos square A. But what is the value of 1 minus sin square A or cos square A? See, from the identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now from this, cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Transpose sin square A right side. So cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, write cos square A. Cos square A, numerator value, denominator is also same, cos square A. Cos square A get cancelled. The answer is 1. See 7th problem. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So take the LHS. LHS equal to sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. So apply A plus B whole square formula. It contains two terms separated with plus. So A plus B whole square formula. A value sin A, B value cosec A. So apply A square sin square A plus B square cosec square A plus 2AB. A value sin A, B value cosec A. 2AB sin A into cosec A plus the same way cos A plus sec A whole square. It is also in the form of A plus B whole square. So cos square A square plus B square sec square A plus 2AB, 2 into cos A into sec A. Next see, now first sin square A as it is plus cosec square A as it is plus 2 into sin A cosec A. So what is the value of sin A into cosec A? So sin A 2 into sin A as it is into cosec A. Cosec, express cosec in terms of sin. Cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. Cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A, sin A, it cancel. Next, plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into, in the same way, 2 cos A as it is, sec A. Sec A means 1 by cos A. Sec A means 1 by cos A. Cos A cancel. Now rearranging the terms. I am rearranging the terms. Sin square A, cos square A, right? First, sin square A plus cos square A plus, next, the remaining terms, cosec square A plus sec square A, cosec square A plus sec square A plus the remaining terms, here the 2 and 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 2 plus 2, 4. But sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A value is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A value is 1 from identity 1. Next, plus cosec square A. So what is the value of cosec square? See, answer in terms of tan and cot. So there is a relation between the cosec and cot and sec and tan. Right, very good. From identity 2 and identity 3. From identity 2, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. From this, sec square A equal to, we need the value of sec square A equal to, transpose tan square A right side, 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. In the same way, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1, identity 3. Now from this, cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A, because the RHS, the answer in terms of tan and cot, so we have to express cosec and sec in terms of tan and cot. So here, in place of cosec square A, write 1 plus cot square A plus sec square A. In place of sec square A, write 1 plus tan square A plus 4. Now add the constants. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, plus first write tan square according to our answer, tan square A plus the last term is cot square A. So this is our RHS. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So 8th problem, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So see the solution. So write the first given, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So observe the first two terms, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. It is in the form of here the A, B, A plus B into A minus B, A value 1, B value cos theta. So A plus B into A minus B formula, A square minus B square. So A square means 1 square, B square means cos square theta. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Next, express cot in terms of sin and cos, because here the first term is in terms of cos. So convert cot in terms of sin and cos. So 1 plus cot square theta means cos square theta by sin square theta, because cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now from that, cot square theta means cos square theta by sin square theta. Next, 1 square value 1, 1 minus cos square theta. Next, do LCM. Here the denominator is sin square theta. So LCM is sin square theta. Now multiply 1 into sin square theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Next, what is the value of 1 minus cos square theta? From identity 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now from this, transpose cos square theta right side, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. In place of 1 minus cos square theta, write sin square theta. Sin square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta value. From identity 1 again, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So 1 by, the denominator is sin square theta. So sin square theta cancel. The answer is 1. See ninth problem. Ninth problem important in exam point of view. If sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta value is given. We have to find out sec theta minus tan theta value. See the solution. Given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. So what is the relation between sec theta and tan theta? Right, very good. From identity 2, there is a relation between sec theta and tan theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here the a value sec theta, b value tan theta. So split as a plus b into a minus b. Sec theta a plus b tan theta into a minus b sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. The right side is 1. But what is the value of sec theta plus tan theta? It is given sec theta plus tan theta value is P. So write here the P in place of sec theta plus tan theta, P into sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So P here in multiplication, right side in division. So transpose P right side. So sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Last 10th problem. See, it is important in exam point of view. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So it is similar to the 9th problem. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? It is similar to same the 9th. See, but we have to find out here cos theta. Write the given data. Given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Say equation number 1. But so what is the relation between cosec theta and cot theta? We have the identity 3 related to these two terms. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So again same, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A value cosec theta, b value cot theta. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A value cosec theta. So split into the form. First a means cosec theta plus b means cot theta into a minus b cosec theta minus cot theta equal to right side as it is 1. But from equation 1, cosec theta plus cot theta value is k. So cosec theta plus cot theta. So replace cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. K into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Since from equation 1, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Transpose k value right side, it is a multiplication, right side in division. So cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Say equation number 2. Now we have to find out the cos theta value. So for this add equations 1 and 2, means 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 left side cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation 2 cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. So add sum of two equations. So cosec theta plus cosec theta, 2 times cosec theta. Cosec theta plus cosec theta means 2 times cosec theta, plus cot theta minus cot theta, cancel. Right side k plus 1 by k, k plus 1 by k. Left side as it is, 2 cosec theta as it is. Now right side LCM is k. Now see here, multiply k into k, k square plus 1, k into k, k square plus 1. LCM is same, k. Transpose to right side, it is in numerator, right side in denominator. So cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2 into k. Numerator in denominator means 2 into k. Now this is cosec theta value, k square plus 1 by 2k. But our answer is in terms of cos theta. So for this, express cosec theta in terms of sin theta. So take the reciprocals on both sides. Reciprocals on both sides. Reciprocals on both sides means reverse. Cosec theta is reverse, 1 by cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Reverse means 2k by k square plus 1. The reciprocals reverse, interchange numerator and denominator. Here the denominator is 1. Cosec theta by 1 means reciprocal means 1 by cosec theta. K square plus 1 by 2k means 2k by k square plus 1. But what is 1 by cosec theta? It is 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta, 1 by cosec theta value is sin theta. 1 by cosec theta means sin theta. Sin theta equal to 2k by k square plus 1. Now this is sin theta value, but we need in terms of cos theta. See the problem. So what is the relation between sin theta and cos theta? From identity 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now from this, write cos square theta value. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Put cos square theta as it is, 1 minus. But what is sin theta value? Sin theta value is 2k by k square plus 1. So substitute here, 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. Square as it is. Only substitute sin theta value, 2k by k square plus 1 square as it is. Now separate the square for numerator and denominator. Again numerator contains 2 terms, 2 square value, 4 k square is k square by the denominator k square plus 1 whole square. Denominator k square plus 1 whole square. Now take LCM. LCM is k square plus 1 whole square. Now 1 into k square plus 1 is k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square, minus 4k square. Now split this into a plus b whole square form. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A value k square, b value 1. So split into a plus b whole square form. A square k square whole square plus b square 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into k square into 1 because a value k square, b value 1 minus 4k square as it is by denominator same k square plus 1 whole square. Don't change the denominator because the denominator is k square plus 1 as it is. So it is equal to k square whole square as it is, 1 square as it is plus k square into 1 k square, 2 into k square, 2 into k square minus 4k square as it is, the denominator as it is k square plus 1 whole square. Nothing is changed, only one change, k square into 1 value k square, remaining all terms same. So k square whole square as it is, 1 square as it is, 2k square minus 4k square, k square plus 2 times and here k square minus 4 times. So 2 times minus 4 times means minus 2 times k square by k square plus 1 whole square. So here same k square whole square as it is, 1 square as it is. Write this as 2 into k square into 1. K square is written as k square into 1. Nothing change. Again same k square by k square plus 1 whole square. But what is this? The numerator value. See the formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A value k square, b value 1. A value k square, b value 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A value k square, b value 1. So a minus b whole square by denominator same k square plus 1 whole square. See here cos square theta. So cos square theta equal to k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. Right, combined square. The formula a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m, combined square. So k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 combined square. Apply square root on both sides. Apply square root on both sides. So under root of cos square theta equal to under root of k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 whole square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. So left side only cos theta and the right side k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So this is our answer. So express in terms of cos theta means cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1.